So in my last video I managed to crash my drone into the River Kennett. I was chasing the video, I was trying to get that real shot which can make a video. Unfortunately there are risks attached to this when you're performing such a thing, and the drone unfortunately went into the river. I managed to go in, I managed to fish it out, and I managed to dry off quite a lot of the drone. It dried off so well that literally an hour or so later it started to fly. But I'm glad to say that it's all working pretty alright. But there was a slight problem, and the problem was with the camera fogging up. So in this next video we carry on from where we left off in the last video. So hello and thank you for watching my little video. I decided to go to a place which was about 2 miles to the south of Swindon, just outside the village of Rawton. This place is called Clouts and Markham Banks. It is an outstanding area of natural beauty, as you can see. I've never been here before, I've drove past it many times, but I thought this would be a good place to take my dog for a nice walk and to fly my drone. Right, okay, so this gives you a bit of an idea of my location, of where I am. Lovely round here. It's a nice day today. There's no rivers around here, well, not that I'm aware of anyway, but there's plenty of trees, so we could be in store for some excitement perhaps. There he is, fly you away, give you an idea where I am. Yeah, it's really quite nice. It seems like there's a bit of a valley sort of down here, so I'm going to sort of fly along the valley in a while. It's really nice to come to places like this, especially on nice days. So it's going to give a good test of the drone. You can see that the image is looking really quite sharp again, like it was before I had my incident with the River Kennett. Glad to say. And also I'm hoping that the mic I'm wearing is doing, you know, a bit of justice as well, although it was very cheap, you know, the little thing I bought for it. So yeah. All right, you're over there, are you? Dogs over there. Not sure I can get over there, to be honest. How do you get over there, Cov? I guess I just got to try and climb the fence, I guess. I don't know. Here we go. Ooh. That's all tangled up. Okay. There you go then. Nice to go for a bit of a wander, just to see what the countryside is like, sort of around. Yeah, this isn't far from where I live, to be honest. It's only about a 15-20 minute drive, but you can see that the countryside is really nice. It's not your typical wood. Let's say it's not like Stanton, and it's not like Stratton Wood, and it's not like Nightingale Wood. where the paths there are very defined. These ones here are just kind of like really rugged. They're more like a track than a path, but nonetheless it doesn't take away from the natural beauty of it. It's a bit up and down as well. It's a bit more of a testy walk than just a nice jaunt around, you know, some of the others, which I suppose is a good thing because it gets your heart rate up, and it does deter certain people coming here as well if it's hilly. Right, which way are we going to go? That way? Let's go this way, I think. There's a little arrow there pointing this way, so we shall go this way. Yeah, I think I've got to be due a stop pretty soon. I've left my water in the car. However, there is a brook down there for the dog and for the drone. But more for the dog than the drone. And I got myself a flask of coffee as well, so yeah, so I'll stop off in a while, and when I get to the end, which isn't too far away, I can then kind of send the drone up, have a little look around, get a good view of my location. Oh look, another gate. How wonderful. They like their gates around here, don't they? They certainly do. It's a bit stiff. Come on, chap. Here we go then. Here we go. So seem to come to the end of this little valley thing. I'm not sure where the path leads. It doesn't lead far that way, but something does go up there. And we have a little look back at where we've just come from. The valley in Clouts Wood. Very nice. Time to put the drone up, one thinks. Now for the most important part, give it a shake. Got myself a nice flask of hot coffee here. Well deserved, I think. I've got something in here for the dog. Furry might cover. Yeah, what do you think of that then? No, it's not quite edible, that thing. However, I've got something for him. Yes, a little sticky. A little treat for you, mate. There you go. And a good boy. Yep. Lunch is a cup of coffee and a chocolate brownie in Clouts Wood. There we go. Lovely fresh air, exercise. Yes, it's got to do the mind, body and soul a whole load of good, this, isn't it? You don't know what you're missing, mate. You really don't.